Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming basics. Make sure the router is powered and the internet LED is active, because a DNS change won't help if the line is down. Then, on your Ps5, go to Settings and verify the system software is current. Updates can fix lookup bugs. Next, record your Ps5 IP, gateway, and current DNS entries as a backup so you can restore them if needed. Once done, you'll be ready to switch to manual DNS without losing your original configuration. You'll change DNS to a known resolver by selecting Settings, then Network, and set up Internet connection. Choose your Wi-Fi or LAN, then go into Advanced Settings and pick DNS Settings right arrow Manual. This gives you control over name resolution. Enter a reliable primary DNS such as 1, 1, 1, 1 and a secondary like 8, 8, 8, 8, because public resolvers often resolve quickly and bypass ISP issues. After saving, test the connection. Make sure to note any error. Now verify results by running the Ps5 connection test. Look for successful DNS response and low packet loss because those confirm name resolution is fixed. If you still see DNS errors, reboot the router and the Ps5, and if your router supports it, flush its DNS cache. These steps often clear stale records. If problems persist, restore the original DNS values or try a different public resolver. And check MTU settings. Incorrect MTU can break downloads and name queries. One key tip:
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.